The definition of the Filipino word ingat, which translates to take care in English. Ingat. So ingat means take care of yourself. So this is the most direct and frequent translation. It implies looking after one's well-being and safety. Another definition is it can also mean be careful. So this is implied in mag-ingat ka, but can be emphasized with phrases like mag-ingat ka palagi, which means always be careful. Palagi means always. And then pag-iingat, it means caution. Another one is look after yourself. It can also mean that way. You can say alagaan mo ang iyong sarili or ingatan mo ang iyong sarili. Take care of yourself is a literal way to express this. So ingatan mo ang iyong sarili or alagaan mo ang iyong sarili. Last one is that it means stay safe. So this can be conveyed by manatiling ligtas or stay safe or similar other phrases. Let us have some example sentences. Mag-ingat ka palagi, that means always take care or you always take care. Mag-ingat ka palagi, mag-ingat ka sa daan, that means take care on the road, be careful on the road. Mag-ingat ka sa daan. Mag-ingat ka gabi na, that means take care, it's already night, gabi is night. So mag-ingat ka gabi na, mag-ingat ka sana, I hope you take care. Mag-ingat ka sana, sana is hope. Mag-ingat ka sa iyong paglalakbay, take care on your trip. So ang paglalakbay is a trip. So mag-ingat ka sa iyong paglalakbay. Mag-ingat ka, huwag kang magpabaya means take care, don't be careless. Pabaya means careless. Yeah, huwag kang magpabaya, don't be careless. Mag-ingat ka, huwag kang magpabaya. Mag-ingat ka sa iyong mga kaibigan, that means be careful with your friends. Maybe they might not be really a good friend in a way. So mag-ingat ka sa iyong mga kaibigan. Another one, mag-ingat ka, sobrang init ngayon. Take care, it's very hot today. Init is like hot. Sobra is very, and then ngayon is now. Mag-ingat ka, sobrang init ngayon. Mag-ingat ka sa iyong trabaho. Take care in your work or be careful in your work. Mag-ingat ka sa iyong trabaho. Mag-ingat ka palagi, always take care. Mag-ingat ka palagi. We also have mag-ingat ka sa iyong mga kasama. Be careful with your companions. Mag-ingat ka sa iyong mga kasama. Companions ba or companions? I think companions. Be careful with your companions. Mag-ingat ka sa iyong mga kasama. Sinasabi ko sa iyo na mag-ingat ka. So I'm telling you to take care. Sinasabi ko sa iyo na mag-ingat ka. Mag-ingat ka dahil hindi maganda ang panahon doon. So take care because the weather there is not nice. So when we say maganda, that means pretty or beautiful. Hindi means not, so not good. Panahon is like the weather doon is like over there. So mag-ingat ka dahil hindi maganda ang panahon doon. Mag-ingat ka at mag-enjoy sa iyong bakasyon. So take care and enjoy your vacation. Enjoy, it's the same with English, and then bakasyon is vacation. Mag-ingat ka at mag-enjoy sa iyong bakasyon. Mag-ingat ka, ayokong may mangyari sa'yo. So take care, I don't want anything to happen to you. Mag-ingat ka, ayokong may mangyari sa iyo. Mag-ingat ka hanggang sa muli nating pagkikita. So take care until we see each other again or until we meet again. Until hanggang sa muli. Muli is like next time. Until next time. And then pagkikita is like meeting. Yeah, so that's the one. Mag-ingat ka hanggang sa muli nating pagkikita. Mag-ingat ka sa mga taong iyong nakakasalamuha. Mag-ingat ka sa mga taong iyong makakasalamuha. Makakasalamuha. So it means take care and be careful of the people you meet. Mag-ingat ka sa mga taong iyong makakasalamuha. Mag-ingat ka sa iyong mga binabantayan. So take care of the things you're looking after. Bantay means like something that you look after. So mag-ingat ka sa iyong mga binabantayan. Mag-ingat ka at huwag kalimutan ang iyong mga gawain. So take care and don't forget your tasks. Kalimutan is forget. So wag kalimutan, don't forget. Gawain is like the chores or the things that you have to do your tasks. So mag-ingat ka at huwag kalimutan ang iyong mga gawain. Mag-ingat ka at magpahinga kung kinakailangan. So take care and have a rest or take a rest when needed. So pahinga means to like have a rest or to relax for a while in a way. And then kailangan is needed. So mag-ingat ka at magpahinga kung kinakailangan.